Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro, a powerful final edition that marks the end of an era for this legendary American muscle car. As Chevrolet prepares to sunset the iconic Camaro nameplate, they're going out in style with a special edition that combines raw power, modern tech, and nostalgic design cues in a package that's destined to become a collector's dream. If you've ever dreamed of owning a piece of muscle car history, this is one ride you won't want to miss. The 2025 Camaro arrives with subtle design updates that give it a more aggressive, performance-driven look. It retains the bold front grille, sculpted hood, and sleek body lines that have defined the sixth-generation Camaro, but adds exclusive touches like heritage badging, special paint options, and unique wheel designs for this final run. Colors like Panther Black Metallic and Shock Yellow give it a distinctive look, and optional carbon fiber accents on the hood and spoiler make it look even more track-ready. Every detail feels like a tribute to the Camaro's racing heritage and street legend status. Inside, the cabin is built for both comfort and driver engagement. Leather-trimmed Recaro seats, contrast stitching, and a flat-bottom steering wheel remind you this is a serious performance machine. A 12-inch digital gauge cluster and a high-resolution infotainment screen powered by the latest Chevy tech suite keep the driver connected and in control. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system come standard, but it's the Camaro's growling exhaust note that will really have your heart racing. Under the hood, the 2025 Camaro pulls no punches. The available 6.2-liter supercharged LT4 V8 engine produces a massive 650 horsepower, launching the car from 0 to 60 in just about 3.5 seconds. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic transmission, the Camaro offers purists and performance junkies exactly what they want. Magnetic ride control, upgraded Brembo brakes, and a track-tuned suspension ensure that this muscle car handles like a proper modern sports coupe while still delivering that raw American power. The 2025 Camaro Final Edition is more than just a farewell, it's a celebration. Chevrolet has taken everything that made the Camaro a legend and given it one last adrenaline-fueled send-off. If you're a true enthusiast, this is the moment to step up and own a piece of performance history. Thanks for joining us at Auto Speed's Vibes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the best machines the auto world has to offer.